Good morning, traders. Alla Peters on July 6th. In front of you, key Alpha Fibonacci System and crucial day trading levels. This is how you identify your trading range prior to ever placing a trade. Again, every single day since March 23rd, 2020, we've been discussing historical rally zone. I will remind you how Alpha Fibonacci System identified this level. I will remind you how Alpha Fibonacci System spelled out we're heading higher and why now it's a quiet before the storm. 4500 on S&P, expect major event. And what you do today will determine your success. But this is exact same identical structure that you are witnessing on institutional chart that's playing out in front of you right now on day trading chart. And we identified this well before market open. If I convert this chart right now to 1, what do you see? We discussed with students. Buying here, not a good idea. Bullish rally overextended, expect a whole lot of chop. Powerful pullback is the key. That's it. This is your strategic, intelligent trading. And it doesn't matter if you trade 3, 5, 7, daily, weekly, monthly chart. This is Alpha Fibonacci chess in trading room every single day. When the price will come as close as possible to this level, intelligent trader will be interested in trading the market. Anything here will be war zone. It's a broker's money printing machine. Intelligent trader understands it doesn't matter what chart you trade, formula remains the same. The only difference, risk management and trade hold time. We need to be as close as possible to here. This will be day trader's dream. This is day trader's nightmare. Which one do you want to be? Enjoying your day trading or being in pain? You decide. Choice is yours. And that's what intelligent trader understands every single day prior to placing a trade. This is identical level on day trading chart that you can convert to 15. Identical accuracy applies. Intelligent trader who understands that institutions viciously buying the market, waiting for key day trading level, understanding completely the power of the system. Choice is yours. Do you want day trader's dream or do you want day trader's nightmare? How you identify your day trading range is at least 50% of your success. This is how you strategize. This is how you prepare for your trade. So this is what intelligent, brilliant trader does. Trading anything he chooses. Theo shares what he's done over the weekend. 2 wins on pound Aussie, 1 loss of one of the winning positions still trailing. Stunning, flawless, means the world. When S&P in pain, Theo trades Forex. Of course he can. And that's the crucial, ultimate rules. And the power of trading with software on Ninja 8 or without software on any platform. And as Theo says, risk control is more important than the profit because the market will play out. But we can control the risk. That's it. Flawless, Melvin is killing it. 60 pips on euro dollar before close on Friday. Sue, listen to Sue's podcast. Sue is a legend. Looking to get 2K today. Sue is trading, index trading. Stunning, phenomenal, breathtaking work. You can become another Theo, another Melvin, another Sue. All you have to do, obey the rules and make an effort. They're trading exactly what you see in front of you. Thank you for sharing, traders. Incredible, incredible effort. Here's this level on Tesla. Identical level. The only difference, risk management and traders trade whole time. So here's the power of the system. If I click on the date on Tesla and I take you back to December 2020, we're going back 7 months ago. December 1, apply. This is what Tesla looked like. Here is S&P in front of you right now. It never gets old, I promise. This is a reason system traded globally in more than 50 countries. What does intelligent day trader knows? This is weakness. This is junk. There is no power. This is key moment on S&P this morning. This exact same thing you knew on Tesla many months in advance. So if we take a look on Tesla forward, while S&P giving us bullish weakness, what do you see on Tesla on February 1st, 2021? Reversal zone is reached. Shocker. You knew this months in advance. You're not buying Tesla into reversal zone. You are not trigger happy cowboy. You are not a gambler. You intelligent human being. Who understands? Market is Alpha Fibonacci chess. Expect Tesla to crash with high 80% probability. Buying Tesla at 8:30, not a smart thing to do. Skip forward. Tesla to April 15. 2021. Shocker not. Tesla skyrocketed from this level. My goodness, what is happening right now in front of you on S&P? Is it possible S&P starts picking up this steam? Dow already skyrocketing. S&P in weakness. On S&P it's junk. And this is what Tesla had done. Identical level that you knew months in advance. Sellers are weak. Buyers defended this level. And here is Tesla right now on July 6th. This is the power of the system. It never gets old, I promise. Market is Alpha Fibonacci chess. This is your trading range on Tesla. It's identical on S&P. Charts are twins. So if you know your trading range, if you are trading pure price, you can trade it all. Bitcoin buyers are weak. Very, very weak, correct? This is a problem. This is your trading range on Bitcoin. Buyers are weak. Price is struggling to break through this level. It is a mess on Bitcoin. But is it possible that with Alpha Fibonacci system you know months in advance where Bitcoin would crash from? Of course. You don't have to day trade. You can position trade Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin, January 2021. You know many months in advance where Bitcoin would crash from. It's exact same reversal zone as you saw on Tesla. It's exact same decision point too as you see on S&P. So when Tesla keeps heading higher, it's a beautiful thing. When Bitcoin not crashing through this level to the downside. Intelligent investor and day trader understands the power of this as support level. Resistance becomes support when price heading higher. It's a quiet before the storm. Bitcoin stuck at these levels for months. 44,000 lifeline on Bitcoin until more than 50% crash. Here is the Bitcoin this morning. It reminds you every single time. Obey the rules and the sky's the limit. Never buy reversal zone. Nothing good is possible if you do. Separate weakness from power. This is weakness on Bitcoin. Buyers are struggling. Identical levels in front of you. So here's a software that's showing you it's a bold green line. It's identical support level. Intelligent trader separating weakness from power. Here comes the power. Here comes your strategic, intelligent decision making process. You are not a gambler. You have zero interest in being majority. You want to become top 1%. Stop doing what majority does. Start obeying the rules. And when your key support identified well before market open, never, ever short near. And it's exact same thing on any chart. This is the power of the system in front of you live. But if you want to trade Bitcoin, if you want to trade Tesla, if you want to trade Forex, of course you can. Choice is yours. So if you want to trade as these traders do, all you have to do, make an effort. All you have to do is obey the rules. And the skies are the limit, what you will decide to trade. S&P in front of you doing exact same thing as Bitcoin, as Tesla, as Forex, as stocks, as options, as every single instrument does. Because Alpha Fibonacci system based on pure price. Price is the same exactly everywhere. This is your trading range this morning. Nothing else is possible, only this. And with Alpha Fibonacci system, you know this well before market open. So this is your key institutional chart. This is a chart you start with each and every morning. Because if you want to become and trade as hedge fund trader does, you are not getting in and getting out of the trade every single second. If you are moving millions and billions of dollars, you're looking at long-term chart. And as a day trader, you're riding this power. But it's a very different trading in July 2021 versus July 2020. This is what intelligent trader understands. each and every day. Be prepared for historical events. Everyone who knows Alpha Fibonacci System knows the event here will be something we have not seen in the last 13 years. Maybe never. So please celebrate the moment that you are in the course now. This is ultimate precision in front of you each and every day on S&P E-mini future. This is your trading range. Stunning, phenomenal work. Flawless. So if you would like to trade with ultimate precision, as you're witnessing traders do globally on all instruments, if you are serious about trading and you are committed, I look forward to working with you. Simply join us in the trading room at any time and read everything that's stated on the website. System applies to all instruments, can be traded on any platform. Software for Ninja 8 available as well. It's a lifetime system. It's a lifetime software that every single one of these traders trades on different instruments, from stock, Bitcoin, future, Forex. So join us in a group course or private mentoring. Due to current crisis, we're offering the biggest discounts ever. Video library, modules, and live trading room included as well. If you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.